truck comes to us all the way from my home state, New York. Known by Greg Crispell, this is a 1984 model 359 with a 280 wheelbase. It normally pulls a step-back trailer out of Dryden, New York. This is Greg Crispell. Thanks for bringing us the show far away. We'll be seeing through. We'll try to figure out who comes from the farthest away. Wonderful to see you start coming all the way from the East Coast. This is a 1984 359. Greg Crispell, thanks for bringing it to us.
Greg Crispell from Dryden, New York. This is my baby. Like I said, originally it was a short hood. Made it an extended hood, and like from when I first got it to when I first put it on the road, that was probably a 3-4 year. Okay. Turned 21, got my license, put it on the road, and went to work, and then 4 or 5 years after that, pulled it back apart and made it into an extended hood. Right. So just kind of did all the work myself, and in my dad's barn, I had a couple guys help me make the hood panels when I made it into an extended hood. But aside from that, pretty much did everything myself. So originally it was a 250 wheelbase. It was a day cab when I got it, but it had the opening for one of these sleepers. Okay. So I had got that sleeper, bought that from a guy local to me after I got the truck, and put it together. Knock on wood, the motor's fairly untouched. I mean, I put a turbo on it, little maintenance gaskets, air compressor, little things, but haven't done an in-frame or anything on the engine yet. It's a reman engine. Okay. There's a tag on it, I'm guessing from the 90s-ish, based on what the previous owner had told us about it. So I pull a step deck around. I haul a lot of landscaping material, flagstone, bluestone, and stuff like that. And fall time, we haul apples for a little cider mill, and just whatever comes up. Used to haul a lot of ag-related stuff, hay and stuff like that. I stay close to home all the time. Yeah. We're usually almost always within New York State. Once in a while, I'll go to PA or Ohio or somewhere. But when I was in high school, I took 2 years of a welding class in school. So metal fab has kind of always been in my wheelhouse. And, I always wanted cool stuff, and I couldn't afford to pay people to build me cool stuff. So kind of learned how to paint and do that kind of stuff on my own. Just figured out, winged it. This thing was kind of a guinea pig for a lot of stuff, teaching myself how to do things. It's not perfect, but pretty much did it all alone. So
You didn't build that visor, did you?
I sure did. Yeah, I made an aluminum one for it a couple years ago out of I put a bead roll in it, something different. And then about a year ago almost, I got a hold of some mirror stainless, and started playing with that and building visors, and I've shipped like 30 of them to different guys all over. So I'm on Facebook and Instagram both.
What's your name?
Look up my name. Yeah, you'll